This is an activation of the Amber Alert system. This is the Cook County Police Department of Public Safety. We have received important information regarding a child abducted in the town of Winnetka, Illinois. The Cook County Police is looking for a child who was abducted out of the address of 671 Lincoln Avenue, Winnetka, Illinois, and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Rosemary Shackleberry. She is a 4-year-old white female, 3 foot 7 inches tall, 57 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. Last seen wearing a pink dress with black shoes. Police are looking for a suspect in connection to the abduction. Bryant Childers, age 36, white male, 5 feet 7 inches tall, 174 pounds, with black hair and hazel eyes. He may be traveling in a 2001 yellow Mercury Cougar 2-door sedan bearing Ohio license plate JDR 4519, or a blue 2001 Chevrolet Cavalier bearing Ohio license plate NSG 6182. If you have any information regarding the abduction, please call 911 immediately.